but we should just hang out alone. Yo, why is your girl hitting me up?
You gonna come? What do I say? Hello everyone, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, nice to meet you. Today we are joined... What?
You just went like this to my face.
Because I love you. Today we're doing a really fun, exciting video, crazy video. Really crazy video. As you can tell from the title, I'm gonna be doing...
Oh, that sounded very familiar.
Is that what you say? I think that's what everyone says, sweetie.
I never heard you say it until
I've said it before.
Never heard you say it. Either Emily, play a part where you said it before.
I'm gonna be DMing my boyfriend's best friends and seeing how they respond.
So many bridges about to be burned.
Yeah, what if they respond kind of like suspicious? Are you just not gonna be their friend anymore? Are we breaking friendships today? Testing them.
Both.
Damn.
I got trust in my friends.
Okay. Also, maybe a DM to the brother.
Let's just start off with Nick.
Nick
Mayorga.
Okay, Nick. What should I say?
I don't know, that's up to you.
Hey.
You gotta realize like you're trying to get at them.
Going.
That's
hey.
What you would say?
Or, I don't know what I would say. Hey, what are you doing? What are you
Damn, like that?
Doing?
Just like...
Okay. Just, hey, how's it? Hey, how are you?
Just be like, hey Nick, sad face.
Why sad face?
Pretend we just broke up.
What? Hey Nick with a smiley face.
Winky face. Nah.
No, smiley face.
Smiley face.
Okay, while we're waiting, should we do a different one?
Nick and JoJo. Let's do JoJo.
Okay.
Oh, we got some messages with JoJo.
God. This was about him. He like posted a story about a monkey, and I was like, or your monkey that I gave you, and I was like, treat my child right. Okay, what did I say?
I don't know. I'm telling you, you gotta decide. Just pretend like you're single again and you're trying to get with my best friend.
Hey, what are you doing? I feel like I should just hit it with the.
Hey, what are you doing? Hey, I'm
no.
Emily. I'm boring. Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, oh, the 3 Ys.
And then an emoji, maybe. Whoa. Whoa.
Angel head, like the halo. I feel like that's kind of cute.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
No response yet. I'm being curved.
Nothing. Go for Cena. Cena has a girlfriend, so I doubt he's gonna do anything. But you know.
Yeah, Cena's gonna be like, bro, you know I have a girlfriend.
Yeah. Hey, Ceenie Weenie with the tongue emoji.
Okay, cute.
I'm kidding, bro.
Well, cause we used to call him that, Ceenie Weenie. Hey, Ceenie Weenie with what emoji?
Oh! All he said was, hey, what's up there?
Okay, yeah, that's fine. Like, we're friends,
yeah,
you know?
Yeah.
I need to dig deep. Okay, right. We're gonna respond to Nick. Okay, what do I say? The sky.
Oh my god, dude. How did you even like...
How did I get you? I don't know. Was I good at flirting? Wait, really? What do I say?
Just be like, what are you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing? I can't just like avoid the question. Nothing. I'm bored.
Or are we going the breakout route?
No, we'll do that with someone else. Okay.
Okay.
I hope we ask to hang out.
I doubt it. I bet you Nick's gonna text me though. He's gonna be like, yo, like, why is your girl hitting me up?
Or he won't.
Nick is like my boy.
Okay.
Nick is like, I know for a fact. He's chilling, you know.
While we're waiting.
Next person.
Who?
Let's just go Anthony.
Anthony? Cena responded.
He said, hi Emily with a laughing emoji.
Well, cause we're just homies like that.
Yo, Nick hit me up.
What did he say?
He said, yo, why is your girl hitting me up? Look at that.
He's straight exposing me.
Look at that. Nick's my boy.
What did he say? Why is your girl hitting?
Yo, why is your girl hitting me up? Should I say, wait, what?
Yeah. Or, yeah, say, wait, what?
Like, wait, what? Man's gonna be hella confused.
Let's
okay, Cena said, hi, Emily.
How are you?
So you going for the friendly round? Why?
I miss you.
I miss hanging out with you.
Yeah, I miss. Oh my god, his girlfriend's not gonna be happy with me. Who am I?
Anthony Riveras. Be like, Anthony, I love you.
Should I?
Just be like Anthony with this emoji. Oh, the little shh.
Okay.
Alright, while we're waiting,
okay.
we can do my brother.
Okay. Okay, what should I say? What should I say? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Hey, tall dada.
Can we talk?
Yeah, I'm waiting just to see my other friends hit me up.
I hope they don't. Jojo hasn't even responded. I'm scared. No one's responding to me.
Yeah. I said, wait, what? And then he said, Emily started DMing me saying she was bored and stuff. Look.
What? He's really ratting me out.
Yes, I told you it's my dog. That's so weird.
Wait, does that mean he's not gonna respond to me anymore? Can I just tell him it's a prank?
I don't think he's gonna respond, to be honest. Nah, don't tell him. Don't tell him it's a prank.
Oh my god, Nick is typing. Nick is typing.
What did he say?
He said, you should hang out with a D
Oh,
then.
he's hard. He's hard. He's hard.
What should I say? What should I say? Should I say like...
Oh, we'll just be like, I kind of want to hang with you though. Oh
no. Okay. What a great friend. Shout out, Nick.
Alright. Well,
now we're just waiting. I guess we'll just wait.
Yeah, we're just chilling now.
Okay. Cena responded.
No way.
He said, I'm down to hang with a D, you and Issa.
He's hard for that. Yeah, you're not getting anything out of Cena.
Like, I should just say down. Oh, Jojo responded.
Jojo responded, hey.
Okay, what should I say back to the Cena? Just be like down and just end it?
Or you could go really into it and say it, but we should just hang out alone.
Or alone.
Oh,
okay,
yeah.
I said it.
Yeah, if his girlfriend sees this in no context.
No.
Jojo said, hey, okay.
What are you doing right now?
Yeah.
Still waiting on Anthony and Tall.
Yeah.
Oh, and then he responded.
No way.
He said, what's up, a D's girlfriend?
Yo, that is some shit you would say. No, hit him with the breakout brow. Hit him with the breakout brow.
Okay.
Just be like, not anymore, sad face. Yo, yeah.
No response. Cena, no response. Everyone's just lagging on me.
Yo, check to see if they left you on scene though.
Okay.
Oh, Nick left you on scene, okay.
The screen recording stopped, so I'm just gonna update you guys on everything that has happened that we already talked about.
Yeah, but now you guys can see it.
The last thing with Nick, I think that you guys saw was nothing, I'm bored. He said you should hang out with the D then, and then I said I kind of wanted to hang with you though.
Oh, he left your ass on red.
Yeah, he left me on red. I messaged Cena. I said, hey Ceenie Weenie. He said, hi Emily. I said, I miss hanging out with you. He said, I'm down to hang with a D, you and Issa, who's his girlfriend, so he wants to go on a double date, so he's turning it around. And I said, no. I said, or alone, and then he left me on red. And I messaged Anthony. I said, Anthony. And then he said, what's up, a D's girlfriend? I said, no, sad face, we broke up. He left me on red. I messaged, oh, Jojo responded. I said, what are you doing right now? He said, just editing and watching some videos on YouTube. Haha. What should I respond?
Just be like, what videos?
Should I say mine, customer?
Yeah, mine with the little nervous emoji.
Okay. Tall responded.
And what did he say?
He said, what's up? What do I say?
Just be like, a D and I broke up. And I find you attractive.
No, I can't say it that soon. Should I say that?
Yeah.
Okay. And now we wait.
Wait, Nick responded after so long.
Yeah, wait, that's so sad.
That's so weird.
Okay, Tall just said, wait, what, really?
Yo, you're gonna have to go.
I need to go in.
You're gonna have to go in right
I need to be like, yeah, and like, I'm really upset about it. Can we hang out?
Yo!
Should I say that?
Really bad. I'm in a bad place right now. Can we hang out? I know he's not gonna do anything, but
sit up, you loser.
It's just awkward.
Tonight?
Okay,
okay, Nick.
Alright, let's
He
see.
said, but I'm busy because I'm gonna hang out with
Oh, we're not even hanging out.
Yeah, you're hanging out with me. What should I feel like that's funny because I'm hanging
just...
out with him right now and then like tell him it's a prank. Funny. Because I'm with him right now. Pranked.
Yo! Cena just
What did I
replied
say
and
to
said,
him?
nah.
I said or alone. He said
nah.
nah.
Yeah.
So he's typing.
What is he gonna say?
I don't know.
I'm
I
scared.
don't know. I know.
Oh, he stopped
He
that.
stopped. Should I just respond to Cena like, oh, okay, and end it?
Yeah, just okay.
So I say, well, this is a prank, so it's fine.
Nah, just don't even say anything.
Okay. He probably thinks I'm so sus. Nick said I knew it all along.
Of course.
Okay, Joe didn't respond. Tyler
Just
didn't
check to
respond.
see if they saw it though. Okay, nothing. Oh.
Yeah, I think
yeah.
Anthony is done for.
Yeah.
He's not gonna respond.
Yeah, I don't think he cares. to be
Yeah,
honest.
he's like, okay.
No one yet, bruh. I'm laying down. So someone reply. Let me know when someone replies.
We got a response.
Oh,
After so long of waiting.
2 new messages, tall fishman.
Okay. I'm going to talk to D and see what he says. He didn't tell me anything. Is he gonna come?
I mean, he didn't text.
I'm scared. What if he walks in? He's gonna know. What do I say? What do I say?
Yo, I don't know, bruh.
I'm scared. Hurry, 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 hurry.
I don't know. I don't know.
What? You guys prank me? That's fucked up. I was gonna talk to you.
Yo, bruh. Damn,
That's how you
I
guys
didn't know
ended
you were
up doing
gonna come in. Hey, respect. I respect it.
Yeah, everyone.
Now I'm not gonna believe shit.
So that was a fail.
Yeah, I think that was a pretty big fail. Let's just hit him with the recap real quick. Let's see. Nick, a dog. You
Nick
know?
loyal.
That's my boy, my best friend.
But continue.
Cena, a faithful man. You know?
100. To you.
Jojo,
Also.
just lagging.
Jojo,
Just lagging.
yeah, didn't even read it. Anthony didn't respond.
Anthony didn't give a f about you. Oh, y'all
Yeah.
broke up? You're irrelevant to my life.
Ouch.
Sorry, that's just his mindset.
Ouch,
I'm pretty sure.
okay.
Alright guys, that was Emily DMing my best friends. I actually kind of enjoyed it.
This
You know?
is kind of fun.
It was like a little test, but if it went sideways, then I don't think I would have had fun. You know? My foot always in the outro.
I
bro.
know, it can be after. Hello. Okay, thanks guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy, give it a thumbs up. How many thumbs up for you to do it on your channel?
Yo, guys, 25,000.
No, we gotta go higher. I don't want you to do it.
Guys, 30,000 likes. I will DM Emily's friends
They're-
on my channel. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video so I can do this on my channel. I'm so down to do this.
No.
I gotta get like a little
No.
revenge. 30,000 likes. We're gonna do it.
Also subscribe if you liked me and my videos. Follow my Instagram at Emily Alexander and my Twitter at Emily Alexander and my Snapchat at Alexander14 and subscribe to my channel and follow Adie's Instagram at Adiefishman, Twitter at Adiefishman.
And
what's your Snapchat?
At Adiefishy.
At Adiefishy. Oh, and we have second accounts, spam accounts, high five.
Mine's
Follow
at
that.
Adiefishman. Now
Mine's
with
at
3 N's.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Hope you have an amazing rest of your day and amazing rest of your week. And goodbye.